What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Today I will be showing you how I made $110-ish trading the S&P 500. As you can see, it is not my conventional trade. I took this trade at around 10:20, which is 20 minutes post where I usually stop looking for trades. And as you can see, it hit my TP1 and immediately reversed down. But besides that, let's get into why I took this trade and what was even the point of it. So if we go to NASDAQ, we can see that we created a high time frame SMT. This low right here did not get swept, did not get swept, while ES did in fact sweep that low. And on top of that, swept a 4-hour fair value. Swept the low right here and tapped into a 4-hour fair value gap, which was bullish. So once that happened, I was on my bed and I was like, I don't know if I should really trade. You know, it's past my trading time. And I was like, you know what? It is my strategy. I see it. I'm on an eval account. Might as well take the trade. I did risk half of what I usually risk. I risked about $250 around there. And yeah, I had 10 micros placed down right here. I had my first TP right here at this high of the 5 minutes, and then my second TP was going to be at this high right here, and then where the extension was of my fib was this high all the way up here, and that was going to be my final TP. So imagine I have 10 micros on the board. I took 4 off right here, another 4 off right here, and let 2 runners go all the way up to this -1. And it basically swept my first TP and then reversed because ES actually wanted to sweep out this 4-hour fair value gap completely, which is understandable. So what happened was, after we swept out this high on the fib retracement tool right here, this high right here, which marked out the fib retracement, and basically took out my TP1. I moved to stops to break even, and as soon as it came back up and did not, dude, why is it doing this? And did not respect, or it did respect this 5-minute bearish gap, I knew I was basically going to get stopped out at break even, but that's fine because I was up $110 anyway. So what are some things I could have done differently? What are some good things? What are some bad things? Good thing is that it is exactly my trade. Again, SMT at the lows, right? SMT at the lows, plus a 1-minute inverse fair value gap, plus the fib retracement showing where my price targets want to be. And besides that, the downside though, or some negatives that I did do, is taking this trade super late in the day. I don't usually trade this late. That was the one thing. Second thing, I could have honestly, after tapping this once, I could have just moved my final TP from up here down to here and just secured the entire profits, which would have been, as you can see, $360-ish. But I didn't want to move my TPs. They were set in stone. I had my stops to break even. So if it happened, it happened. I was already on my way to the gym working out, so it's whatever. But now what I think is going to happen after we sweep this 4-hour fair value gap, we are at this high right here, kind of consolidating. But when market opens, we are going to sweep out this high right here, this high right here, and then the -2, -2.5 extension for this move is right here at this high. Actually, I thought it was going to be higher, but yeah. So I would not be surprised if this high gets taken as soon as market opens and it sweeps out this high and then consolidates. But yeah, besides that, this is the 4th winning day today, or yeah, 4th win streak for me. It is a mid trade, to be honest, but you know, in the green is in the green for me, and $100 is better than no dollars. So the account's sitting at 51, basically 51.2. I'm expecting 2 more trades for the rest of this week, passing this account, and then we are getting on the eval by the beginning of August. So yeah, I'm live on Kick every single day. It is going to be in the description, but if you want specific coaching one-to-one for free, it is also going to be in the description as well. Join that up, DM me, text me, I got you. But yeah, I love and appreciate you guys, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace out.